Welcome Creative Navraj and Technology. Today I am show you how to hidden folder. First of all, we create one folder and rename it. When you rename, you press Alt and 255. When you press Alt and 255, the name is hidden. After, right-click this folder and go to Properties. Here is option Customers. Then press it, go to down. Here is also option Change icon, and press it. Here is 3 option. All are hidden. Choose anyone. I choose this and OK. Apply it, then also OK. Your folder is hidden. And put anything like music, photo, what do you want. Thank you and subscribe my channel.